Starting an online business can seem daunting. You might think you need a warehouse full of products. Good news, you don't. Dropshipping lets you start an online store without any inventory. That's right, you read that correctly. You don't have to handle any products yourself. Sounds interesting? Let's dive in. Dropshipping is like being a middleman. It's a business model where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. You list products from a supplier on your online store. This means you don't have to worry about inventory or storage space. When a customer buys from you, you order that product from your supplier. This process is seamless and can be automated with the right tools. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This means you never have to handle the product yourself. You make money on the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. This is your profit margin. Here's an example. Let's say you sell a phone case on your website for $20. You find a supplier selling the same case for $10. This means you have a potential profit of $10 per sale. A customer buys the case from you. They pay you $20. You order it from your supplier, providing them with the customer's shipping address. You pay the supplier $10. The supplier ships the case directly to the customer. The customer receives the product without knowing it came from the supplier. You keep the $10 profit. This is the essence of dropshipping, a low-risk way to start an online business without the need for large upfront investments in inventory. Dropshipping has many advantages. The biggest one? Low startup costs. You don't need to buy inventory upfront. This makes it much less risky than traditional businesses. Other pros include flexibility, scalability, and a wide product selection. However, dropshipping is not without challenges. You have lower profit margins compared to traditional retail. You also have less control over shipping times and customer service. Competition can be fierce. It's important to weigh the pros and cons before jumping in. Ready to get started? The first step is to choose a niche. We'll talk more about niches later. Once you have a niche, choose a dropshipping platform. Shopify is a popular choice. Next, find reliable suppliers. AliExpress and Salehu are good places to start. Create an attractive online store. Showcase your products with high-quality images and compelling descriptions. Section 5. Choosing products and a niche. Finding your winning combo. Choosing the right products is crucial for success. Focus on products with high demand. Look for products with good profit margins. Consider products that solve a problem or fulfill a need. A niche is a specific market segment. For example, instead of selling clothes, you could sell yoga clothes or eco-friendly baby clothes. Niching down helps you target a specific audience and stand out from the competition. Passion niches, where you sell products you're passionate about, can be very rewarding. Section 6. Marketing and sales. Getting the word out. Once your store is set up, you need to drive traffic to it. Social media marketing is a great way to reach your target audience. Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are popular platforms for dropshippers. Paid advertising can also be effective. Google Ads and Facebook ads let you target specific demographics and interests. Content marketing, such as blogging and video marketing, can help you build trust and authority. Section 7. Tips for success and common mistakes. Navigate like a pro. In this section, we will delve into the essential strategies that can help you master the art of dropshipping and avoid common pitfalls. Here are some tips for dropshipping success. Provide excellent customer service. This is the cornerstone of any successful business. Your customers should feel valued and heard. This includes fast shipping, responsive communication, and easy returns. Make sure your customers have a seamless experience from the moment they place an order to the time they receive their product. Build a strong brand. Create a unique brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Your brand should tell a story, and connect emotionally with your customers. Stay updated on trends. Keep an eye on what's popular in your niche and adjust your products accordingly. Trends can change rapidly, and staying ahead of the curve can give you a competitive edge. Common mistakes to avoid include choosing a niche with low demand, partnering with unreliable suppliers, neglecting customer service, not investing in marketing. These mistakes can severely impact your business. Remember, dropshipping takes work and dedication. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and a willingness to adapt and learn from your experiences. Stay committed, and you can navigate the challenges like a pro. Section 8. Conclusion and call to action. Take the plunge. Dropshipping offers an accessible way to start your own online business. It's a model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. It requires minimal investment and offers flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and scale your business at your own pace. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like any business, it comes with its own set of challenges and requires dedication. Success requires careful planning, research, and effort. Choose the right products, market effectively, and stay on top of trends. Provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Embrace the learning curve and continuously educate yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies. Test various marketing techniques to see what works best for your audience. Ready to take the plunge? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start researching niches and products today. Identify gaps in the market and find products that solve problems or fulfill needs. There are countless resources available online, from tutorials and courses to blogs and podcasts, including communities of dropshippers who can offer support and guidance. Connect with like-minded individuals and learn from their experiences. Your entrepreneurial journey awaits.